Hi, my name's Riley and I am the Bilingual Youth Program Coordinator here at Doug, and today we're going to be making a wonderful activity for your kids to add their own artistic flair into the garden using what they find in the garden. So all we're going to need for this activity is water, plaster of Paris, measuring cups, your seeds or other materials from the garden, and a disposable plant saucer. So the first step is adding 2 parts of plaster for every part water. So for this size saucer, we're gonna do 2 cups of plaster, or 4 cups of plaster. Awesome. Now your 2 cups of water. Now you can mix it however you'd like. I prefer using hands. Allows you to get every clump mixed into the water. You want to wait 5 to 10 minutes till the plaster is firm enough that you can set your materials in without them sinking, but not too firm that you can't press them in. After waiting about 5 to 10 minutes, you can test the consistency of your plaster, and once it firmens a little bit here, you can go ahead and start adding your materials. So we're gonna make a little face here. There's his nose. Some happy little eyebrows. And you see you wanna push it in just a little bit, but not under the clay. Eyebrows, some very expressive eyes. Awesome. And it's as easy as that. After setting your seeds in and waiting about 20 minutes before peeling it out, this is the result. A beautiful stepping stone. This is a more basic design. You can go really any way you want with it. You can have your kids put their hand in and make hand imprints, or you can make more complex abstract designs with your seed stepping stone as well. So I hope you enjoyed this activity, and thank you so much for watching.